Good morning, Parkland. Well, we're here, which means the snow didn't do a whole lot.
That's okay. It's Friday and there's only a few more hours left. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, Panthers, today's science fact of the day is all about something positive. Some healing is taking place, and that's a good thing. Let's go over to Terry to find out more.
Hey Panthers, today is all about the ozone. The ozone is that region of our atmosphere that absorbs most of the UV radiation from the sun. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere, about 12 to 19 miles above the surface of the Earth. For years, there has been a hole in the ozone layer that has been getting bigger and bigger. This was mostly due to the chemical interference and pollution from good old us, the humans. Well, it seems that since we banned a lot of the chemicals and devices that were causing the hole, it is finally beginning to fix itself. This year there was a noted difference. Check it out.
Ever since its discovery in 1985, the springtime ozone hole over Antarctica has been an insistent reminder of humankind's ability to cause environmental harm. But the wound has begun to heal. There is now evidence that the hole is shrinking. The problem began in the 1980s with chlorine-containing chemicals used in dry cleaning, refrigerators, and aerosol cans. In order to destroy ozone, the chlorine needs to be activated with two extra ingredients: ultraviolet light and stratospheric clouds, made of nitric acid particles that only form in extreme cold. That's why Antarctic ozone destruction peaks in October, when winter cold gives way to springtime light. The 1987 Montreal Protocol phased out the chemicals, and measurements have shown them declining in the atmosphere. Now researchers have found evidence of the intended consequence: shrinkage in the ozone hole. Using satellites, ground-based instruments, and ozone-measuring weather balloons, they showed that since 2000, the Antarctic hole in September shrunk by 4 million square kilometers, an area bigger than India. An extra challenge was showing that the shrinkage was due to the drop in chemicals. Using a 3D atmospheric model, the researchers separated out the effects of weather and volcanic emissions, which can also destroy ozone. The model helped explain anomalously large ozone holes like the one in October 2015, which was largely due to the eruption earlier that year of the Calbuco volcano in southern Chile. Although the hole has begun to heal, the chlorine and bromine containing chemicals have long atmospheric lifetimes, so scientists don't expect the hole to close up completely until 2050 at the earliest.
Here's the final school news of the week. Auditions for Beauty and the Beast will be taking place on January 30th and February 1st. The show needs a large cast of both boys and girls. If you are interested in auditioning, you can pick up an audition pack in the main office, the TV studio, or in room 1306.
Panthers, don't forget to bring your permission slips for the trip to see Hidden Figures by next Friday. Next week, PBTV will be highlighting this incredible new movie, so stay tuned.
If you are interested in joining Tech Crew for Beauty and the Beast, the first meeting will be next Tuesday, January 10th. This is a great activity if you are interested in building and painting. See Mr. Bergman if you have any questions.
Finally, starting next week on January 9th, Parkland will be holding a new box top challenge. The grade level who collects the most box tops during your lunches will win a prize that will be announced soon. Last time, 7th grade came back from behind to win the contest. Bring your box tops next week. Now let's head back on over to Terry.
Panthers, we've warned you again about the dangers of squirrels here before on PPTV. Earlier this year, they tried to assassinate a politician who talked trash about them. There have been commercials on TV where you see squirrels purposefully causing car accidents, and now they are trying to shut down our power grids. In Exeter, New Hampshire, on Wednesday, a rogue squirrel decided to take the town's power down. So he snuck into a power substation and purposefully grabbed one of the breakers, causing 75% of the town's power to go out for 3 hours. When we asked some of the neighbors about why the squirrels would do this, they said no comment and refused to talk to us. It's obvious the squirrel mafia is slowly taking over, so be careful again, Panthers. Now, here's a blast from the past. The very first Fitbits with Mr. Rodriguez from 2012.
How you doing, Parkland? We're here so we can learn how to do correct push-ups. Now, there are different types of push-ups. Push-ups starting from the easiest, and you can work yourself up all the way to the hardest. So at this time, we're going to start with the easy one and the correct way to do this. First of all, one thing you should do, get on your knees, make sure that you open your arms and they're on a V shape and right beyond your shoulders. Put the hands down first in front of you and look straight out. Once you do that, push your legs out. Make sure that your body is straight. There is no up mountain and there is no slacking down on the stomach. It has to be straight. When you come down, you should make sure that your chest is about 4 inches off the ground and back up. Now this is a correct push-up. You should at least try to do 10 to 20. Start slowly until you can get to 20 and then do 3 sets of 20. Then we'll work on another push-up.
Say happy birthday to these students today.
So, I hear it's your birthday. So I just think I'm going to sing you a little song, and it goes a little something like this. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear you, happy birthday to you.
Okay, so we are done for the week, and it's about time to go.
Before you do, remember these words of wisdom. It's not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Bye.